it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Thursday to everybody. I have a very tiny collective haul from online and also a tiny haul from Dollar Tree. So I thought I'd go ahead and combine it and just show you some new items that I did find. So first of all, I did go to Dollar Tree today. I was picking up some balloons. I do like to pick up balloons for my kids at the Dollar Tree now. I don't even go to Party City anymore because Dollar Tree is just so much more convenient and budget friendly. So yeah. So anyway, I did pick up, aside from the balloons, I did pick up this metal bunny pick or stake. They call it a bunny stake. I saw this last time, but I had grabbed so many other things already from the Dollar Tree for Easter that I decided not to pick it up. But since I was there today, I decided to go ahead and get it. And I don't know if I'll use it actually as a stake. I might, but we'll see if I use it for something else. But I thought it was so cute. So I picked up this one, the rabbit that's holding up some carrots, and then they also had this one right here, which I thought was really cute with a yellow, and I like how this kind of pops up, you guys. And this one has a yellow bow tie and it has a basket, so it's really cute, and it's like it has this long stick. But we'll see. I don't know. I can easily pull it apart, I think. And if I don't use it as a stake, I'll use it for something else. So really cute. So I thought I'd just grab those, you know, before they're gone. And the Dollar Tree that I went to was pretty stocked. So the only thing I didn't find, I was looking for some more of the bunny, you know, these. I used it on my last project. They didn't have any, and they didn't even have the eggs. So yeah, I kind of wanted to just get some more just in case I use it for another project. And then I did go also, since I was there today, I decided to go ahead and just get the blue truck. I don't know, I just decided to go ahead and get it. I do have the pink one. And so I just decided, you know, well, I could always like paint over it or something, or do something for my son, you know, for Easter. You know, since it's blue, I don't know. I just decided to get it because, you know, it's only $1, and I'm sure these will go fast too. So I did pick that up just in case I do something. And plus I did want to show you guys because I did tell you that they had the blue truck also. And then the only other thing that I picked up at the Dollar Tree were these. And I thought these were new. I hadn't seen them at my Dollar Tree anyway. But these are jewel border stickers. And I thought they were super pretty. And I think I would definitely use them for, you know, a project. You can use this as a border for like a card, or even if you were maybe decorating a bottle or a box. You know, it's just nice to have. And you get 5 strips here, so I thought that was pretty, you know, pretty good. It's good to have in your stash. They were only $1, so I did pick up a couple of them. They also had it in gold, so instead of the little pearls in the middle, the pearls are kind of that brownish, kind of a yellow brown gold, and then the rhinestones are gold. So, but I didn't care for that one. I liked the crystal color instead. But I thought, you know, I'd just share that in case you guys were interested. From scrapbook.com, I did pick up this We Are Memory Keepers die set. And this is the Maggie Holmes die set. Since she's coming out with a new paper line, I thought this would be really cute. This actually, I think this came out, I'm not sure. I think this came out when she released the Heritage, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, I just really love that little deer. And there's a bow right here also. You can't see it, but anyway, I know Frank Garcia also has this in the store, but when I tried to order it, it was out of stock. And I saw it on scrapbook.com, and it was only like $11 or something like that. So I did end up just getting it there. So anyway, that's how it looks like. And I just love that little bow. I don't know, it's so cute. And that deer just gets me. I had to grab it. So that was from scrapbook.com. And then from Amazon, by Silhouette. And contains 8 sheets, and they're 8.5 by 11. So I thought, oh, you know, they're only like $5 and something cents. It was less than $6. I thought I'd just go ahead and grab it. I'm loving using the adhesive sheets, like I do. I've been cutting with it. So I did get that. So good luck if you guys find that on Amazon. And then the only other thing I got, which finally came, is this, they call it an applicator and remover set from Cricut, but it's basically a brayer. And I'm not sure what this is, but it's like they look like forceps or something. Not forceps. What is it? Like tweezers. I don't know. They look like giant tweezers, but I'm assuming it helps when you're die cutting on your Cricut. But I needed another brayer because the other day I was looking for my brayer. I could not find it, you guys. And I do like to use this when I'm using the Cricut. And I have a wooden one that's not even really for, I think it's for fondant, that I got from Michael's or something. But anyway, I saw it and I thought, well, I'm gonna get it. So yeah, it helps you like pull stuff out from your mat. And I thought that this would be great also for like when you're doing vinyl and things like that. So I don't know, I just got it because I needed the brayer and it happened to come with that extra tool. So I grabbed it. So that's it, you guys. That is my small little haul from online, from Amazon, also from the Dollar Tree. So, but I wanted to just, you know, hop on and just wish everyone a happy weekend. And thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.